Guys, we managed to change the screen. Before we put it back, I want to show you inside if I can. Yeah, it's the plate we were talking about. Unfortunately, I over tightened a few screws. This one is holding the loom, see, a little bit shaky, and this one the other side, two of them. So I just put 3 screws. It's the plate holding the loom. So don't over tight the screws, yes, because they're so delicate. So it's the first time I was working on the mobile phone. Anyway, before we put the screen back, you want to check that one. So the screen is working properly. Let's see, the camera is working. Yeah. Home button. So we are okay. The only thing is just these screws here. I don't know, we must, as I told you before, we must put this side back first and then push the screen. Don't want to break it again. Yeah, even inside. You're lucky. Now we just put these 2 screws back on the bone. Sorry. And you can see that one or not. Let it go back. It's LED headlights I got, so it affect the camera. So this is 2 screws. One. Yeah, must push the screen back. A little bit wobbly, I don't know why. Let's put this screw back, you will see. No, it's not wobbly anymore. You're lucky. Everything working fine. So put the last screw back. Oh, it's so difficult to put the screws back. It's the first time I work on such a small thing like that. So this is the last screws. Don't over tight anything because I already did. So I'm scared, you know. That's it. So this is more or less how you change the screen on iPhone 6 Plus. Thanks for watching. If you like it or don't like it, just subscribe to what? Oh, it's different screen. Just subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thank you, bye bye.